Today's video, I'll be bringing you closer to something bigger and more profitable, where you can actually earn online and also get some bonuses for yourself. A better and fast way to earn and also use this crypto way to make money online. So if this sounds like what you're interested, before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time or you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joaquin. So what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So without no further ado, let's dive in.
Now, once you click the first link below the description of this video or on the pinned comment section, you're going to be directed into this interface. This is an AI super blockchain wallet. It brings you safe and intelligent experience. So you can just go through all this. But the most important thing is that you need to download this app before anything can be done on this app. Alright? So right now you can see download and web for iOS. So right now what you just want to do as an Android user is to come down to download, and if you are an iOS user, just come down to web for iOS. So before going ahead to download this, you can just come down here and get to know some little things about this platform before downloading this app. So right now this is a crypto wallet, just like the way we have it on Bybit and Binance. So what you just want to do right now is to come down to download. So once you click on download, it's going to take you over to where you can actually download this app on your phone. So right now the next thing you want to do is to download anyway. Alright, so this is going to be downloaded on your device. So once this is done downloading on your device, the next thing you want to do is to install it. So right over here, this has actually finished downloading. The next thing you want to do is to click on install. So this is going to be installed on your device. So let's wait for this to be installed. So right now all you just want to do is to go back to your device. So right now we are done downloading this AI crypto wallet. The next thing you want to do is to tap on it to get it started. Right now this is an interface that will be displayed to you when you open this app. Right now what you just want to do is to create a wallet or import an existing wallet, but I will advise you go ahead to create a new wallet on this platform. Now to create a wallet, all you just need to do is to come over to create wallet, and it's going to bring you over to this mnemonic area where you can actually continue with the creation of your wallet. Now the next thing you want to do is to come over to this arrow, just click on it, and it's going to bring you over to this interface where it will be asking you to input a 6-digit password. Please note that this 6-digit password cannot be recovered. If you forget your password, you will re-import your wallet to set a new password. Right now what you just want to do is to input a 6-digit password right over here and confirm that password. So I'm going to input my own 6-digit password and confirm it right now. So I'm done inputting my 6-digit password. The next thing you want to do is to come over here and copy this mnemonic phrase, because this mnemonic phrase is very important. So when you come down here, you can see they said please write down the mnemonic phrase in order to keep them properly. Do not disclose your mnemonic phrase words to anyone, otherwise you may lose all your assets. Okay, so this is a private mnemonic phrase for you. What you just need to do is to copy this mnemonic phrase and save over to any of your private notes so you can always retrieve it when needed. And so to continue with your wallet creation, the next thing you want to do is to come down to click on next step, and it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can actually fill up this mnemonic phrase up right here. As you can see right here, it says please fill in the mnemonic you backed up in order. Alright, so what you just want to do is to fill up this mnemonic phrase, then click on confirm. So I'm done filling out this mnemonic phrase according to what I've been given. So the next thing I want to do is to come down here and click on confirm. So once I'm done clicking on confirm, this is the interface that will be brought to you. That means that you have actually created your wallet successfully. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with this app. But before going ahead to do that, let me quickly show you the wallets, how you can receive and send money on this app. Now to do that, you can just come over to receive. And when you come over to receive, so right now the wallets that are available on this app is the BEP20 address and the TRC20 address. So in subsequent times, more wallets will be added right in this place. Now if you want to receive funds on this account, what you just need to do is to come over to BEP20 address or the TRC address, then come over to copy. So once you have actually copied this address, you can now paste this address to wherever you want to send in funds to this app. Same thing applies to the TRC20 address. What you just want to do is to copy it and send this address to any of the crypto wallets you want to send in funds to this app. So once that is done, you're going to be receiving your payment straight into this app. Now to also send funds out from this platform, all you just need to do is to come over to send, and it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can actually see this wallet address and the USDT. Okay, so right now what you just want to do is to copy the address of where you want to send these funds to, paste it over here, then come down here to input the amount of the USDT and click on confirm. Then instantly you're going to be sending this fund out from your account. So these are the way you can receive and send funds on this platform. Now, to earn on this platform is very simple and very straightforward. So right now on this platform, there's what is called AI trading. So once you click on AI trading, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can actually trade with AI with this financial management. In this app, you can actually see that we have the TRX, the USDT, the BNB, and the USDT. So right now, these are the available wallets on this account. So once you head over to market, you can actually see that this is a marketplace when you start trading on this platform. And when you head over to AIX, this is actually an artificial intelligence that you can actually chat on this platform and get to understand how this platform works. And actually send this AI a message regarding trading on this platform. For instance, let me just say, how do I trade on this app, and send. This AI is going to give you a response. Once you send message like this AI is going to respond to you and give you instant response of what you need to do on this platform. So number one, you can actually see that it says you should sign up and create an account. Now it says you should deposit funds, and three, you can actually see that this is actually giving you response of what you have actually sent to this AIX chat. So this is an artificial intelligence that is available for you on this platform. Now to earn on this app is very simple and straightforward. Come over to settings and come over to invite bind. So once you come over to invite bind, you're going to be pasting the code I'll be dropping below the description of this video or on the pinned comment section. So right now this is mine, so I'm just going to paste my code and I'm going to confirm this. As you can see right now, operation successful. So this is what you're going to be doing right on your account. Just copy the code I'll be dropping on the description or on the pinned comment section. So once you're done, this is going to be binded right on your account. As you can see right now that I have actually binded my own in my account. So immediately I binded my invitation code, I just got 1000 AIX token on my account. So this is what is applicable to you. Once you copy my code below the description or on the pinned comment section, then go over to your settings, then come over to invite bind, then paste that code I'm going to be dropping on the pinned comment section, then click on bind. Automatically you'll be getting your own 1000 token on your account. So right now you can see that I have over 1000 AIX token. So right now this is how to get more tokens for yourself on this app. So once you carry out your first trade on this platform, you're going to be given an additional 1000 AIX token on this platform, making it 2000 token on this platform. So once you also refer a friend on this app doing the same thing I showed you in this video, you're going to be getting an additional extra 500 AIX token on your account. So that sounds amazing, right? So the more people you invite to this platform and they actually trade with this platform, you're going to be getting an additional 500 token on your account. To invite friends on this app, what you just need to do is to come over to invite, and you're going to be copying this particular link. Once you click to copy, it's going to be copied automatically. Then you can actually share this with your friends. Once you invite your friends on this platform and they actually follow what I just showed you in this video, they'll be getting 1000 AIX token and you will be getting 500 free AIX token on your account. That sounds so good, right? So you can actually use the link below the description of this video, download this app, creating a wallet, bind your account to get your own 1000 AIX token on this account. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. See you on my next video and keep winning.